If you're a family buyer in the US and you're planning to purchase an SUV in 2025, this video will save you from making a costly mistake. A wrong choice can lead to thousands of dollars in surprise repairs, high insurance premiums, and poor resale value. We've analyzed reliability reports, owner forums, recall data, and real-world repair bills to bring you a countdown of the 10 family SUVs you should avoid this year. Each of these models has a track record of problems that most shoppers won't hear about in a sales showroom. Stick around to the end to hear which alternatives give you better safety, durability, and value for your money. Number 10. Mazda CX-9, 2016 to 2023. The CX-9 is often praised for its sleek styling and sporty handling. Unfortunately, families discovered that beauty doesn't equal durability. Its turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine can suffer from turbo seal leaks and cooling system problems after about 70,000 miles, leading to expensive oil burning issues. A full turbo replacement can run $2,500 to $3,000, and parts availability has been slow in some regions, leaving owners waiting weeks for repairs. Beyond that, the CX-9's third-row seat is cramped, limiting it as a true family hauler. Mazda discontinued it after 2023, which is already depressing resale prices. Better alternative. The new Mazda CX-90 fixes most of these issues and offers a stronger inline-six engine. If you want proven long-term reliability with good resale, a Honda Pilot is still the safer bet. Number 9. GMC Acadia, 2017 to 2022. GMC downsized the Acadia in 2017 to improve fuel economy, but reliability took a hit. A number of owners have reported electronic power steering failures, a divided-by-C system leaks, and a 6-speed transmission that tends to shudder or slip well before 100,000 miles. Repair costs can add up fast. A steering rack replacement alone can exceed $1,800, while transmission work can surpass $3,000. Depreciation has also been worse than its competitors. A 3-year-old Acadia typically retains less than 50% of its original value, compared to roughly 60% for a Toyota Highlander. Better alternative. The Toyota Highlander or Subaru Ascent offer comparable passenger room, better all-weather traction, and stronger long-term durability. Number 8. Chevrolet Traverse, 2018 to 2023. The Traverse became a go-to SUV for big families thanks to its roomy cabin, but the second-generation model's 9-speed automatic transmission is notorious for early failure. Owners frequently describe hard shifting, slipping between gears, or total loss of drive as early as 60,000 to 70,000 miles. A transmission replacement often costs $4,000 to $6,000 if the warranty has expired. To make matters worse, this generation of Traverse has one of the steepest depreciation curves in its class, losing roughly a third of its value in 3 years. Better alternative. If you're shopping new, the redesigned 2024 Traverse shows early signs of improvement. For used models, a Honda Pilot or Toyota Highlander will deliver better reliability and resale. Number 7. Volkswagen Atlas, 2018 to 2024. Families love the Atlas for its generous interior space and simple layout, but the ownership experience has been marred by persistent electrical faults, from failing digital dashboards to dead door module wiring. Many 2.0-liter turbo models also developed oil consumption problems and fuel injector failures, and repairs are pricier because of European-sourced parts. Long-term reliability scores have remained near the bottom of Consumer Reports charts for 6 years running. Insurance premiums are typically higher because collision parts are costly and often need to be ordered from overseas. Better alternative. The Kia Telluride or Hyundai Palisade match the Atlas for space, come with a 10-year powertrain warranty, and have earned much better reliability ratings. Number 6. Ford Explorer 2020 to 2022. The 6th-generation Explorer was rushed into production in 2020 and it showed. Early models had transmission calibration problems, rear axle wear, brake system recalls, and various infotainment glitches. Some units required complete transmission replacement before 50,000 miles, often after frustrating visits to dealerships for reprogramming. While Ford made incremental improvements by 2023, those first 3 model years have already developed a reputation for unreliability on the used market. Better alternative: a 2023 or newer Explorer is less risky, but if you want to avoid the drama altogether, a Honda Passport delivers solid reliability with enough space for most families. Number 5. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2014 to 2019. The Grand Cherokee is a favorite for its towing power and off-road ability, but older, 4th-generation models hide some expensive pitfalls. The available Quadra-Lift air suspension is known to fail, often requiring $1,500 to $2,500 per corner to replace. Owners also report recurring electronic module glitches, hard-shifting 8-speed transmissions, and premature water pump leaks. Because of these issues, resale values on these years have dropped sharply. Better alternative: if you need towing or trail capability, the Toyota 4Runner isn't as modern, but is one of the most dependable SUVs you can buy. Number 4. Nissan Pathfinder, 2013 to 2021. For nearly a decade, Pathfinder models used Nissan's early generation CVT, which proved troublesome for heavy family use. When hauling cargo or towing, the CVT often overheated, causing shuddering, limp mode activation, or complete failure. Replacing the CVT can cost $4,000 to $4,500, and some owners report needing a second replacement within 100,000 miles. The 2022 redesign finally switched to a conventional 9-speed automatic, so newer models don't share this issue. Better alternative: a 2022 Plus Pathfinder is fine, but for a longer track record of durability, the Honda Pilot is a safer buy. Number 3. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, 2017 to 2020. Minivans are often the smartest family choice, but the early Pacifica Hybrid models came with serious caveats. There were several high-voltage battery recalls, including one warning owners to park outdoors because of potential fire risk. Replacing a hybrid battery pack once it's out of warranty can exceed $6,000 to $8,000. Even non-hybrid Pacificas in these years had power sliding door motor failures, infotainment freezes, and CVT issues. Better alternative: a Toyota Sienna Hybrid offers outstanding reliability and fuel economy, or choose a 2021 Plus Pacifica that benefited from major component updates. Number 2. Chevrolet Tahoe and GMC Yukon, 2021 to 2023. These full-size SUVs remain popular for towing boats and carrying big families, but the early years of the current generation had more than their share of troubles. Frequent complaints include premature lifter failure on the 5.3-liter V8, vibration issues at highway speeds, and software-related glitches in the digital dash and power tailgate. A lifter and cylinder deactivation repair can run $3,000 to $3,500, and fuel economy remains poor, which adds to operating costs. Rising gas prices and these issues have started to drag down resale values for these specific model years. Better alternative: a 2024 Plus Tahoe or Yukon after factory updates, or a Toyota Sequoia Hybrid if you want strong resale and better fuel efficiency. Number 1. Land Rover Discovery and Discovery Sport, 2017 to 2023. At number 1, the Discovery line is widely regarded as one of the least reliable family SUVs sold in the United States over the past decade. Owners often report electrical gremlins, air suspension collapses, coolant leaks from plastic fittings, and timing chain tensioner wear. Parts and labor costs are high, even for routine maintenance, and many models spend long stretches waiting for components to arrive from overseas. Used values fall quickly because buyers know these risks. Some examples lose over half their sticker price in just 3 years. Better alternative: consider an Acura MDX or Lexus RX 350L or 500h if you want 3-row flexibility with excellent reliability and resale strength. Choosing a family SUV isn't just about style or monthly payment, it's about long-term safety, reliability, and protecting your budget. Avoiding these 10 models can save thousands of dollars in repair bills, keep your resale value higher, and reduce the stress of unexpected breakdowns on family trips. Before you buy, always review reliability ratings, common problem bulletins, and recall histories. Take your time on test drives and insist on a full pre-purchase inspection for any used SUV. Which of these SUVs surprised you most? If you've owned one of these and experienced the problems we described, share your experience in the comments so other families can benefit.